Sa labas. Bibirada ng tres. Basket yan. Turipa. Mahinay. Sa labas. Diaz. Tuhagos. Pull up using the glass. 12 seconds. Diaz, pass to Mahinay. Back to Diaz. Mahinay. So, Hagos, pull up. Using the glass for 2 points. Zano, pick, attack. Basket for Diaz. Pass to Mahinay. Pass to Jersey Order 3, Kanay to Mahinay. Pass to Makalintal. Makalintal sa gitna, binigay kay Mahinay. 80 seconds on the shot na binigay kay Kanay. For 3. Reyes, na-intercept ni Diaz. Diaz ang gawadali. Diaz uminto. Pumeke, binigay kay Hagos. Tinayuan lang, but no good. Body Platino. Situation. Reyes on the attack, but no good. JR Diaz with the board. Diaz ang gawadali. Diaz on the attack, natapigan. Makakuha ni Mahinay. Mahinay na makaligtan sa ilalim. Up, there's a trouble. Natapigan, Jersey Order 2. Mahinay nagmamadali. Mahinay, 2-2 situation. Bigay kay Diaz on the attack. No good. Nakuha ni Diaz ng Baraluna. Kanay. Tuhagos, tumingin pa sa likod. Pass to jersey number 22. No good. Diaz, forward pass. Hagos to Kanay. With a lavish head, 2 points. Hagos ilawa ang bola. Bigay kay Jersey number 3, Kanay. Pass to Jersey number 3 sa labas. Pass to Hagos. Pull up. Using the glass. Dalawang for 3. No good. Nakakuha niya number 2, Razon. Pass to Jersey number 20, Makalintal on the attack. Pass sa labas. Pass to Diaz. 10 on the shot lang. Kanay for 3. Airborne. Makalintal si Tay. No good. Tapigan. 3 on the shot lang. Intercept. Forward pass. Intercept kay Kanay. Tuhagos on the free throw line. Is good. 2 points. Napupunta kay Jersey number 22, Rizano. Makalintal. Out of bounds. Miscommunication by the intercept by Jersey 18 Elad. Hagos again. Pull up. So good. Nakakuha ni Ocampo. Penguin. Nakakuha ni Jersey 17. Ocampo on the attack. Jersey number 24. Pass to Sulapas. Fort Ray. No good. The last throw. Penguin. No good. Tapi nga na mamunta. Kay Jersey number 22. Ortizano no good. Tapi kay Hagos. Hagos ng Baraluna. Nagmamadali. Hagos on the attack. Nanabigan. Ilaga. Pass to Sulapas. Pass to Ilaga. Attack. No good. Penguin with the ball. Pass to Diaz. Diaz. Making a run. Diaz. Pass to Sulapas. Third way. No good. Kasal with the ball. Intercept by Sulapas. Pass to Ilaga. Basket for to Penguin. Pass to Ortizano again. 2 points. Bola. Diaz. Pass to Elad. Pass to Sulapas. Air ball. Ranson. Attack. No good. Paano mo na rebound? Ocampo. Pass to Ranson again. Nakakuha ni Sulapas. Pass to Jersey 18 Elad to Diaz. Diaz making a move. Diaz. Pass. Elad sa Penguin. Naglalaba ng bola. Penguin 3 versus 2 situation. Diaz to the ball. Diaz pass to Elad for 3. No good. Ilaga. Hook shot no good. Nakakuha na din ako. 15 seconds time remaining. Intercept by Diaz. Sinasa kayo ang masyadong mabait. Octavo all the way to the corner. Wow. Behind the arc. No good. Nakakuha niya Ilaga. Pass to Kanaynay. Back to Mahinay. Mahinay. Pass to Kanaynay. 8 on the shot clock. Mahinay. Pass to Kanaynay. 3 on the shot clock. Kanaynay for goal. Nalad. Tinapik ni Diaz kay Kanaynay. Fake. Dalawa pumiki. Nakakuha. Basket for Kanaynay. De La Cruz. Ano para pick? De La Cruz. Pass. Intercept by Ilaga. Ilaga. Nagalo pa masahan. Binigay. Kay Kanaynay. 2. Diaz. Kinakabaw ang bola. 3 on 2 situation. Mahinay. Basket niya. Gordo. Pass. Sa labas. Sa Kanaynay. Pass to sa labas. Pass to Mahinay. Pass to Ilaga. Nagad. Nakakuha niya yung kampo. Ocampo. Pakuha dyan siya kay Yornizano. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. Nagad. De La Cruz again. Basket. Kanaynay. Pass to Mahinay. Pass to Kanaynay. Pass to Ilaga. Nagad. Bala mo na rin mabawa ni Gordo. Third pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz on the attack. Mahinay. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Diaz. Man-to-man defense ang pinapakita ngayon ng San Esteban. 10 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. 3 on the shot clock. Pass to De La Cruz for Gray. Mahinay. Making a move. Pass to Kanaynay. 10 on the shot clock. Kanaynay attacking the defense but no good. Reyes with a cross. Reyes 2 on 2 situation. Reyes. Pass to Ortizano. Basket yan. Sa labas. Bibirada ng Reyes. Basket yan. To rebound. Mahinay. Sa labas. Reyes. On the attack. Pass to Gordo. Gordo sa ilalim. Ginagambala na isa dalawa. Intercept by Mahinay. Forward pass to Diaz. Pass to sa labas. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Mahinay. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to sa labas. For Gray. Nalad. Kanya pa rin. Pass to Mahinay. Nalad. Mingwin with the ball. 3 on 2 situation. Pass to Gordo. What a shot. Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds para sa fourth and final quarter. Kanaynay. Using the time. Intercept by Platino. Kuminto. Binigay kay Ocampo. Ocampo with a side 7 minutes. No good. Diaz. Nakalusot. Binigay kay Ilaga. Up. But stepping on the line. Out. Attack. No good. Platino on the attack. Win. Pass to Ortizano. What the fuck? Pass to Makalindal. Pass to Hagos making a move. Nabitawan. Kanya pa rin. Binigay kay Kanaynay sa lalim. But out of bounds. Ball goes still. Binigay kay Hagos with the ball. Dinalawa. Out of bounds. Diaz. Kabatete Ortizano. Diaz on the attack. No good. Balik mo na roon. Nakakuha niyo yung kampo. 2 on 3 situation. Ocampo. No good. Nakakuha ni Diaz. Pass to Mahinay. Pass to Kanaynay. 15. Binigay kay Kanaynay. Kanaynay attacking the defense. Pass to Makalindal. No good. Kanya ulit. And there. Binigay kay Mahinay.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 on the shot clock. Mahinay. Na-intercept. Forward pass to Ocampo. All alone is good. 2 points. Alaynay. Pass. So, Agos. May intercept. Pare-recover ni Agos. Diaz. Pass to Marinay. 10 on the shot clock to Kanaynay. Kanaynay up there.
Paboritong gawin baga na kukulang sa ng baga na ubos pa sa rin.
Galaw!
Jersey number 41. Inclining the ball.
Galaw!
Diaz. Kada papasan. Biligay kay Kanaynay. So, Diaz again. 10 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. Intercept by De La Cruz. De La Cruz na bawal ulit. 3-on-3 situation. De La Cruz, attack, and there's a foul. For Dennis De La Cruz. Diaz with the cross, Iwan. Diaz to Hagos, pull up using the glass. 12 seconds.
Bola, galaw Jong!
Bigay kay Jason to Manginay. So, Jason 41, Diaz. Back to Manginay. 15 on the shot clock. Kanaynay, attacking the defense. Biligay. Makakuha pa ni Kanaynay. Nagod. Makakuha. Pass to Ngamo. Foul. Out of bounds. Looking for his teammate. Intercept. Out of. Green pass and dirt. No good pa rin. Green. No good. Ortizano Tubay. Pass to Kanaynay. Kanaynay with the ball. Intercept. Or 77. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz is spin with the left. 2 points. Binigay kay Agos. Intercept. Masod with the ball. Pass to Ocampo. Ocampo on the attack and blocked by Diaz. What a block. Intercept. And another game. Congratulations. Boron.